Welcome to Top Legendary Lists, your ultimate destination for captivating stories and incredible facts.
Welcome to Top Legendary Lists. Artificial intelligence was built to help us, but what happens when it goes too far? Today, we are looking at the darker side of innovation. These are the top 10 scariest AI technologies that actually exist right now. Number 10. Autonomous swarm drones. Imagine thousands of tiny drones communicating with each other without human intervention to track and eliminate targets. It's no longer science fiction, it's modern warfare. Number 8. Deepfake social engineering. We've seen funny deepfakes, but the reality is terrifying. AI can now perfectly mimic a CEO's voice or a family member's face to commit massive fraud or start political chaos. Number 8. Emotion recognition AI. Governments and corporations are developing AI that can read your inner feelings just by looking at your face. Privacy as we know it is disappearing. Stay with us, because the next few technologies on our list are even more bone-chilling. Welcome back. As we get closer to number 1, the line between human and machine begins to blur. Number 7. Predictive policing AI. Algorithms are now predicting who might commit a crime before it even happens. But if the data is biased, the future looks like a digital prison. Number 6. Autonomous lethal weapon systems, also known as Slaughterbots. These AI-powered machines are programmed to make life-and-death decisions on the battlefield without a human in the loop. Number 5. AI-powered mass surveillance. In some cities, AI monitors every move you make, linking your face to your bank account and social credit score. Total control is now a reality. Number 4. Synthetic DNA design. AI is now capable of designing entirely new biological organisms. While it could cure diseases in the wrong hands, it could be used to create targeted biological weapons. We've reached the top of our list. These final 3 technologies keep even the creators of AI awake at night. Number 3. Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces. Connecting your brain directly to the internet. While it helps the paralyzed, the fear of hackers entering your mind is a terrifying possibility. Number 2. AI voice cloning scams. With just a 3-second clip of your voice, AI can clone it perfectly. Scammers are already using this to faking kidnappings and stealing millions. Number 1. The black box problem. The scariest part of AI is that we don't truly understand how it thinks. Advanced models are making decisions that even their creators can't explain. We have created a mind that we can no longer control. Is AI the greatest tool ever created, or our biggest mistake? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Legendary Lists for more. Sleep well tonight.